The Komatsu 931.1 is a powerful and versatile harvester designed for efficient and productive forestry operations. It's known for its strength, reliability, and operator comfort. Equipped with a robust engine that delivers ample power for demanding harvesting tasks. Features a heavy-duty crane with a long reach and high lifting capacity, allowing for efficient handling of large trees. Compatible with a variety of harvesting heads, enabling the machine to adapt to different tree species and logging conditions. The harvester uses its powerful crane and cutting head to fell trees. The cutting head removes branches and limbs from the felled tree. The harvester cuts the tree into logs of desired lengths. The processed logs are then loaded onto a forwarder or skidder for transport. The Woodcracker C550 from Westech is a powerful tree shear attachment designed for use with excavators. It's built for efficiency and durability in demanding forestry applications. The C550 is attached to the excavator's arm using a quick connect system. The shear's powerful gripper closes around the tree trunk, securing it firmly. The shear's cutting blades then slice through the tree, cleanly severing it at the desired height. The shear can also be used to shear branches and limbs from felled trees. The log grapple cuts trees with a diameter of up to 55 centimeters, hardwood, with ease. The cut trees are processed to biomass and serve as a fertilizer for the orange trees. Georgia Brush Mowing and Land Clearing is a company that specializes in land clearing and vegetation management services. Mulching is a fast and efficient way to clear land compared to traditional methods like hand cutting or burning. The mulched material remains on the site, reducing the need for debris removal and disposal. The mulch can act as a natural fertilizer and help prevent erosion. Mulching eliminates dry brush and other flammable materials, reducing the risk of wildfires. They use specialized equipment, such as forestry mulchers, to clear land efficiently and effectively. They utilize powerful forestry mulchers mounted on skid steers or excavators. These mulchers have rotating drums equipped with hardened teeth. The mulcher is driven through the area needing clearing. The rotating drum shreds trees, brush, and other vegetation into small chips. This is the fastest mulcher. They put it to the test against the current popular drum-style mulchers. They mulch trees all over the southeast up to 9 feet in diameter fast. Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, Florida, North Carolina, and South Carolina. A homemade grapple saw for mini excavators is a versatile attachment that combines the functions of a grapple and a chainsaw, offering increased efficiency and safety in various forestry tasks. The grapple saw is mounted onto the excavator's auxiliary hydraulic circuit. The grapple portion of the attachment is used to securely grip and hold the tree or log. A chainsaw, typically powered by a separate engine or the excavator's hydraulics, is activated to cut through the wood. The grapple allows for precise positioning and manipulation of the wood during cutting, reducing the risk of kickback and improving safety. There are key components of a homemade grapple saw. 1. Grapple. A sturdy frame with tines or teeth designed to securely grip and hold logs or branches. 2. Chainsaw. A powerful chainsaw, either gas-powered or hydraulically driven, mounted on the grapple frame. 3. Hydraulics. The excavator's hydraulic system provides power for operating the grapple and, in some cases, the chainsaw. 4. Control system. A system of valves and levers allows the operator to control the grapple and chainsaw functions. The Jobo Street 75 step-fed thinning processor is a specialized forestry tool designed for efficient and selective thinning operations in forests. The Saint 75 is mounted on a forestry crane, typically a smaller, more maneuverable model suitable for working in dense stands. The crane operator fells the target tree and uses the processor's grapple to securely grip the stem. The processor features a unique step-feeding mechanism. As the tree is pulled through the processor, delimbing knives progressively remove branches in a controlled manner. This step-by-step approach minimizes stress on the machine and ensures clean delimbing. Once delimbing is complete, the processor measures and cuts the stem into desired lengths using a powerful saw unit. The cut logs are then released and either left in designated piles or loaded onto a forwarder for transport. The Saint 75's precision and control make it ideal for selective thinning, allowing foresters to target specific trees for removal while preserving the overall forest structure. The step-feeding mechanism and automated processes contribute to increased productivity and reduced labor costs. The Saint 75 can handle a range of tree sizes and species, making it adaptable to various forest types. The AWI RT400 is a powerful and versatile tracked forestry mulcher designed for heavy-duty vegetation management and land clearing tasks. It's known for its strength, durability, and ability to handle challenging terrain and dense vegetation. The RT400's tracked chassis provides excellent traction and stability, allowing it to operate effectively on steep slopes and uneven ground. A robust engine delivers ample power to drive the mulcher head and propel the machine through dense vegetation. The heart of the machine is the heavy-duty mulching head, equipped with hardened steel teeth or flails. As the machine moves forward, the mulching head shreds trees, brush, and other vegetation into small chips. The mulching head operates at high speed, pulverizing vegetation into a fine mulch. This mulch can be left on the ground as a natural fertilizer or removed from the site.